Hello guys, welcome back. In this video we will be learning the function Countif and Countifs. Here we have a list which contains date, number of days there was a rainfall, and the number of days in which I carried umbrella or not. So the basic difference between Countif and Countifs is that Countif requires only one criteria and Countifs require multiple criteria. So let's start with Countif. In the first scenario, we need the number of days when there was rainfall. Okay, so we need to deal with column B as it contains the criteria which we have. I'll just enter formula Countif, bracket start, the range. I'll select the range in which a criteria is present, then comma, and then select the criteria, bracket close, enter. So there were 10 days when there was rainfall. Okay, so next is the number of days when there was no rainfall. So I'll use the same formula as there is only single criteria here. Countif, the range, and then I'll select the criteria, close the bracket, enter. So there were 9 days when there was no rainfall. There were 10 days when there was rainfall. Okay, so next let's move on to Countifs. So here the first scenario is we need to find the number of days when there was rainfall and I did carry an umbrella. So both the criteria are yes. I'll use a Countif function, Countifs, bracket start. So the criteria range 1. I'll be starting with the rainfall. I'll select the range. Then I'll select the criteria, which is yes when there was rainfall, comma, then the criteria range 2, which is if I carried an umbrella or not, again a comma, then the criteria, close the bracket, hit enter. So there were 6 instances when there was rainfall and I did carry an umbrella. So next, number of days when there was no rain and I did carry an umbrella. Countifs, so the criteria range 1. You can take any range. I'll take umbrella range, comma, relevant criteria range 2. I'll take rainfall now, comma, then relevant criteria for the range, close the bracket, I hit enter. So there were 4 instances where there was no rainfall and I did carry an umbrella. So let's just change the scenario a little bit. I want to find the number of days when there was no rain and I did not carry an umbrella. So rainfall, there was no rainfall and I did not carry an umbrella. So there were 5 days where there was no rainfall and I did not carry an umbrella. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.